Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you Facebook Messenger is not open on my iPhone and Android device. Lot of Facebook Messenger user has been reporting to Facebook Messenger is not working and not opening on my iPhone and Android device. Now the Facebook users question is how to fix Facebook Messenger is not opening, not working fix on my iPhone and Android device. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems on your iPhone and Android. My some viewers to say in my iPhone and Android device Facebook Messenger is not opening and not working problem. Now the first one solution is most important. Now first of all find out the Facebook Messengers, press and hold and uninstall successful. Now open the Chrome browsers on your iPhone and Android device. In the top corner search bar, search old versions of the Messenger of Facebook. Searching is done. After you can see also these websites available for the old versions of the Facebook Messenger. This website link I give you on my descriptions box. Open this website. After scroll down and find out the 20 January 2023 is the stable versions of the Facebook Messenger. Now simple tap on that and green icon to download install Facebook Messenger on your iPhone and Android device. When this Facebook Messenger's old versions download successfully done, after installations also done, you can log in your account and open it. If not working, then go for the second solutions. Find out the free VPN on your iPhone and Android device. Now find out the free applications of the VPN on iPhone and Android device and open it. Now to select the US country and you can connect your iPhone and Android. US VPN to connect your iPhone and Android devices and open the Messenger applications from the iPhone and Android home screen. Open the Facebook Messenger. After you can see also this way too you can easily Messenger not opening and not working problem fix. Now the solutions number 3 is the most important. Use the alternative applications for the Facebook Messenger. Now first of all open the App Store in iPhone and Play Store in Android device. Now top corner search bar, in search bar search Messenger Lite application. Search the Messenger Lite. After you can see also download install the Messenger Lite of your iPhone and Android device. Now log in your account. This way too you can easily fix your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.